Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to download Reels from Instagram. Open Instagram and go to the Reels tab. Find the video you want to download and tap on the share video icon, which looks like an arrow, and select copy link. Next, open your browser and go to the website saveinsta.com. The link will be in the description. Actually, there are many websites for downloading videos from Instagram, but I usually use this one. Paste the video link into the link field and click View. Scroll down and click Download Video. Then scroll down and click Download Video again. Wait for the video to be downloaded to your phone. Now you can open and watch the video on your device. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel to not miss new videos. See you in the next video.